Alright guys, in this video let's go ahead and install Node.js and Yarn for our project. Node.js allows us to write server-side applications using JavaScript, and Yarn is simply a dependency manager like npm. So to install Node.js and Yarn, I'm going to use something called Homebrew. If you are on Windows, you simply have to go to each individual website. So in this case, nodejs.org, and simply download from this link, and the installation is very straightforward. The same for Yarn. If you want to download Yarn, simply go to yarn pkj and then /docs install, and if you click on the Windows tab, you should get this .msi file that you can simply download. So it's really straightforward. But because I'm using Mac, I'm going to use Homebrew. So to install Homebrew, if you don't have it, simply copy this script and paste it in the command line, and then the job is done. So once you have Brew, open up Terminal if you are on a Mac. And by the way, I'm using iTerm instead of Terminal because it's much nicer. So to install Node.js, I simply have to say brew, and this is the command that it's available for us once we install brew. And then I'm going to install and then Node. Just give it a second. So now you can see that it's downloading Node 7.9, and it's done. So if I want to confirm that Node was installed successfully, simply type node and then -v, and you can see that I've got the version 7.9.0. And in fact, just let me go back to Node.js, and you can see that I've downloaded this current version, which contains the latest version. Now let's go ahead and install Yarn. So open up Terminal and simply say brew and then install Yarn, just like so. Enter. Just give it a second. And there we go, guys. So you can see that we've downloaded Yarn right here, and the file size was 15.2 megabytes. And to verify that we have installed Yarn correctly, simply type yarn and then -V, enter, and you can see that this is the version that we just installed using Brew. And in fact, this is the version right here. And this is it for this video. This is all we have to do to set up our environment. Join me in the next one.